Hello guys, I am back to my channel. I know you guys have missed me for a while now. For a couple of weeks, months I've not been here, but I'm very sorry because I was actually doing something something that was taking my time, so I didn't really have enough time to create content, to talk basically. And then I am back to show you some tips, to tell you little things you need to know. For this one is basically for content creators. I've got messages from a few of my friends and few of the content creators I've met online, and then they were asking questions like what app do you use to edit your videos, what do you use and all that. So I just want to share some tips, some of the apps I used previously and even the one I'm using currently too. So don't go away, keep watching. Okay, I am going to share 10 apps I use to edit my videos, apps that I've tried out. So I'm going to share them, the names, so you go check it out in the Play Store and then download and give it a try. They're all good. I'm not sharing every app I see. I actually took time to vet and to check the one I've used, and then I love the features. So I am going to share them, about 10 of them. The first app I'll talk about is Power Director. I started with Power Director, yeah, I think I started with Power Director. I had done some things with Power Director. Power Director is quite good, it's very easy to use, and then it has lovely features. But then the problem is the watermark. So having the watermark on the screen, a lot of people don't like that. So if you want to use it, you have to look for a way and get rid of that watermark, the name on it. Because a lot of people don't like it when creating content that you see a particular watermark and name on the video, and then it's a lot of distraction. So you can look for a way and get a premium package and get it off the video. Yeah. So we have another one. We have Filmora. Filmora is also good. Those are apps we use with our mobile phones, or just to use to create content. For us, for people who don't really want to go through the stress of getting the system before you can get a video done, go for this. It's easy to use. We have InShots. Hold on. Okay, InShot is an amazing app. InShot is an amazing app too, so I've used it, and then I can tell you it's one of the best so far, so you can try it out. Apart from InShot, we have Video Leap. Video Leap is good too, the features are amazing, so you would love Video Leap, so give it a try. We have another one, Splice. Splice is good too. I think that's the previous app I used before using my current app, so it's been an amazing one, so you better give it a try too. The features are amazing. We have CapCut. Easy, simple. Even my kid brother uses CapCut to edit his videos, so it's very easy to use. So also Viva Video is an amazing one, very easy to use, and you would love it. So use it to edit your videos and get the best out of it. The features are all amazing, top-notch features there too. So you give it a try. We have KineMaster. KineMaster is amazing too. I've used it too, and I can tell you it's amazing. We have iMovie. iMovie is actually the recent one I'm using because of the phone. So it's basically for Apple users. For iPhone, you can use that and explore the features. It's excellent. Lastly, it's Canva. I don't know if there is any YouTuber that haven't really come across Canva, because Canva is amazing. Yeah, I have an account with them, so I have been exploring their features. I do a lot of Canva. Yeah, my intros are being done by Canva. Yes, I can tell you. Most of my trailers, Canva, and what else? Yeah, my thumbnails too. Canva gives me all the features I want, everything. So you can better try that. It's good for your videos. I think this has answered the question of JBush, I want to edit videos, I'm having issues, what app should I use? Please, I've given a lot, so you better try them out. Try them out. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? If you want me to come over there and tell you subscribe, please do. I love you.